Jungle.
Kia's Cadenza is a compelling choice in a shrinking segment. For those who prefer sedans to SUVs, it not only represents a solid value but also provides near-luxury features throughout its model range. Inside its well-built cabin is room for 4 adults to stretch out in comfort, and the looks features only get better the further up its range you climb. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard features, and highly sought-after active safety tech, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and more, is provided as standard on the mid-range technology trim and the top spec limited. That the Cadenza wears a handsome and upscale design is icing on the automotive cake. Kia saw fit to make just one change to the Cadenza lineup for 2018, last year's panoramic sunroof package, a large glass sunroof, power sunshade, and LED interior lighting, is now part of the luxury package on the base premium trim instead of being a separate $1,000 option. The big glass roof is still standard on technology and limited trims. We chose the mid-range technology trim last year, and we'd hold steady on that recommendation for 2018 as well. This year's build is priced at $40,190 and calls up many modern and luxury items that attract buyers in this segment, including panoramic sunroof, 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment with navigation, 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio, proximity approach lighting. All of the Cadenza's active safety technologies also come as standard on this mid-range trim and on the top spec limited model. While not as quick as its rivals, the Cadenza's V6 engine is velvety smooth and competent. The transmission could be more refined, but the smart driving mode makes the most of the powertrain's capabilities. The components underneath the Cadenza's sculpted hood carry over to 2018 with 0 changes. The revised 3.3-liter V6 makes 290 horsepower, 3 less than in the previous generation Cadenza, and while the engine itself is a smooth operator, initial throttle response is sleepy. This makes the Cadenza easy to drive around town without disturbing your passengers, but it requires a heavy foot for more immediate sit-at stoplights. The 8-speed automatic is carefree. It's never quick to change gears, but it stumbles under heavy throttle, and with sport mode engaged, shifts feel abrupt. The transmission does feature a manual shifting mode that will hold the gear until the driver provides input. In addition to sport mode, the Cadenza has eco, comfort, and smart driving modes. Smart mode monitors your driving style and automatically switches between eco, sport, and comfort to provide the optimum balance between performance, fuel economy, and operation.